When Shabazz Productions released this underground, independently made documentary, Oh My God, Master Farad, in April of 2012, the response was amazing. Many favorable reviews gave testament to the film's success. Excellent reviews continue to come in from viewers worldwide. In an attempt to meet or succeed the high standard of the last documentary, the staff of Shabazz Productions will once again aim to hit the mark with yet another highly thought-provoking documentary called Remote Control, H.L. Hunt's Nation of Islam.
There was a man by the name of H.L. Hunt, one of the wealthiest men in the world, Dallas businessman, owned oil wells, was basically in charge of the oil business in the United States, connected to the CIA. Several people suggested he might have had a piece of the Kennedy assassination. We know that he was the largest contributor to the Nation of Islam. He used to give them, from what I understand, over $100,000 a year back in the early 60s. He also was the largest contributor to the Ku Klux Klan.
See, the Black Muslim movement, it was organized in such a way that it attracted the most militant, the most uncompromising, the most fearless, and the youngest of the black people in the United States. That's who went into it. Those who didn't mind dying, they didn't mind making a sacrifice. All they were interested in was freedom and justice and equality, and they would do anything.
There were squads going around to different people's homes, telling them, keep your mouth shut. Keep your mouth shut.
Malcolm built the nation. It wasn't the Honorable Elijah. Honorable Elijah founded it. Malcolm built it.
But do you know who gave me the backbone and the wisdom and the determination to fight this system? That was Malcolm. That was nobody but Brother Malcolm.
These brothers ain't going against the Honorable Elijah Muhammad. A brother told Malcolm out of his own mouth, he said, if the Honorable Elijah Muhammad give me the order to kill you, I'll kill you.
Now here's a guy who's giving big money to a seemingly militant African-American group and a militant white group, the Ku Klux Klan. What is his motivation?
Jeremiah. I don't know what Jeremiah was into, but I knew Jeremiah was into something very incorrect.
Don't you believe we'll blow your brains out? Don't you? I said, brother, you got the gun. What can I tell you? I can tell you what you ain't gonna do. I don't know what your mind is. He said, we will blow your brains out. Keep your mouth shut. Stop talking so much.
In an organization that doesn't take an active part in anything, and therefore it cannot be a threat to anybody because it's not going to do anything against anybody but itself.
And there were people who felt that Malcolm's activities might, in fact, impinge upon the whole numbers game and the illegal activities. And probably if he lived, he would have had an impact on him. You understand that? I mean, because Malcolm was not for a lot of the illegal stuff.
he asked Malcolm this question. Malcolm, what you going to do now about money? Since you don't belong, what you gonna do? So you know that Elijah, his boss, who owned the Black Muslim, don't you?
I guess many of you have heard it said that his financial support comes from a rich man in Texas. I heard that while I was in the movement. I've heard it more since I left the movement. A rich man in Texas. You can look up, any of you can look up his name.